When it comes to electrical projects, selecting the correct wire gauge is vital for ensuring safety and efficiency. One such wire gauge that is frequently used in various applications is 16GA gauge wire. This blog will explore the characteristics, common uses, and benefits of 16GA wire, helping you determine if it's the right choice for your next project. What is 16GA wire? 16GA wire, or 16-gauge wire, refers to a wire with a diameter of approximately 1.29 mm, 0.0508 inches. The gauge number indicates the wire's thickness, with a higher number representing a thinner wire. Compared to 14GA wire, 16GA is thinner and has around 10 to 13 amps current carrying capacity, but it remains a popular choice for many applications due to its balance of flexibility and strength. 16GA wire is available in both solid and stranded forms. Solid wire consists of a single metal conductor, providing rigidity and durability, while stranded wire comprises multiple smaller strands twisted together, offering more flexibility. The wire is typically made from copper or copper-clad aluminum, CCA, with both materials providing excellent conductivity. Copper is favored for its superior electrical performance, while CCA offers a cost-effective alternative with adequate conductivity for many standard applications. Common applications of 16GA wire. 16GA wire is versatile and widely used across various electrical and electronic applications. Here are some of the most common uses. Speaker wiring. 16GA wire is a popular choice for connecting speakers in home and car audio systems. It offers the right balance of flexibility and performance, making it suitable for routing through walls, ceilings, or around tight spaces. The wire's thickness is adequate for most speaker setups, ensuring clear sound quality with minimal signal loss. Low-voltage lighting. For low-voltage lighting systems, such as landscape or under-cabinet lighting, 16GA wire is often used. Its flexibility allows for easy installation, while its current carrying capacity is sufficient for powering low-wattage bulbs and light fixtures. Thermostat wiring. In HVAC systems, 16GA wire is commonly used to connect thermostats to heating and cooling units. Its flexibility and adequate current capacity ensure reliable communication between the thermostat and the HVAC system, allowing for precise temperature control. Automotive wiring. 16GA wire is frequently used in automotive applications, particularly for wiring accessories such as lights, radios, and other electronic components. The wire's thickness is sufficient to handle the power requirements of these accessories without adding excessive bulk or weight to the vehicle's wiring system. DIY electronics projects. For hobbyists and DIY electronics enthusiasts, 16GA wire is a go-to option for building circuits, connecting components, and prototyping new devices. Its manageable size and ease of use make it ideal for various small-scale projects. Why choose 16GA wire? Choosing the right wire gauge depends on your specific project needs. Here are some reasons why 16GA wire is a preferred choice. Flexibility. Stranded 16GA wire is highly flexible, making it easy to work with, especially in applications where the wire needs to be routed through tight spaces or around obstacles. This flexibility simplifies installation and reduces the risk of wire damage. Adequate for medium current loads. 16GA wire is suitable for medium current loads, making it ideal for applications such as speaker wiring, low-voltage lighting, and automotive accessories. With a lower current carrying capacity, 16GA wire is suitable for a range of applications without the need for thicker, more expensive wires. Cost-effective. Compared to thicker wire gauges, 16GA wire is more affordable, offering a cost-effective solution for a wide range of applications. Its lower cost does not compromise safety or performance, making it a popular choice for both professionals and DIYers. Ease of use. 16GA wire is easier to strip, bend, and connect than thicker wires, which can be particularly beneficial for DIY projects. Its manageable size makes it easier to work with, especially in confined spaces. Versatility. From audio systems to lighting and automotive applications, 16GA wire is versatile enough to meet the needs of various projects. Its balance of flexibility, strength, and cost-effectiveness makes it a practical choice for many situations. Conclusion. 16GA wire is a versatile and widely used wire gauge that is essential for many electrical and electronic projects. Whether you're wiring speakers, installing low-voltage lighting, or working on a DIY electronics project, 16GA wire provides the right balance of flexibility, current carrying capacity, and ease of use. Its affordability and reliability make it a go-to choice for both professionals and hobbyists. Understanding the applications and benefits of 16GA wire will help you make informed decisions for your electrical projects, ensuring safety, efficiency, and long-lasting performance.